told you in the start itself that this is not about dumb paper trading, but you will be experiencing a live trade simulation wherein you can test your strategies, work out.
Hi, hello friends. Very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. So that was an ad from one of the partner. So let's get into the chart. I'll explain about that conference later. So this was a very strong bullish monthly closure. So if you look at the charts today, the month has got over. Today the closure is all above almost like 17,158, and the high made was 17,172. There was a very small amount of rejection, that too like for a rally of 2.62% for this month. There has been a very small amount of rejection, almost like just like 14 points of rejection in the top for a monthly closure. So what's going to happen next is definitely, as I told yesterday, this will be a very major resistance because multiple times market has reacted to this zone. So what can happen is definitely it will go there, and if it is going to be a strong resistance, definitely this descending trend line will act as a resistance, and it is going to be around 17,480 towards 17,500. That is what yesterday also I have told. So definitely after reaching this zone, we need to wait and watch whether this is getting reacted, or if we are going to feel some heat at this point or not. We'll wait and watch, because one more resistance is lying at this place, this bottom, which is going to be the previous this is high low, low high. So this is going to be one zone. Then again this is going to be a retesting zone for this low. This becomes a lower high, and again there is going to be a high low, lower high. So second, third point is there. And if you see this here also, Nifty got rejected and there was a huge downfall. So if you plot a resistance at this point, we can mark the zone, not the exact line. We'll mark the zone at least like 50 to 100 point zone. So this is going to be a strong resistance, which is coming around 16,648. So that will be the next level where we can expect Nifty to reverse. If it is going to take at least like maybe like 1 or 2 weeks. So this is going to be the 17,450 will be the first zone, and next will be 17,570 to 650. That will be the strongest resistance for this upcoming rally, because if you see the monthly candle, there is no much fall, or there is no much rejection in the top, or we can say like there is no correction from the bottom of 15,191. So for this rally, so the low, we are going towards high. So after reaching the high, definitely there should be a higher low if our market structure is going to be as in the uptrend. So definitely what we can expect is, once the resistance or some rejection is seen, we need to wait and watch. Then we can definitely go for the trades. Till that, hold your stocks. Once this level reaches, and if you are getting some resistance or rejections, definitely what you can do is you can book the stocks, at least half the quantity you can book the stocks, and if the rally continues, you can hold the stocks. But there is a very high chance of this Nifty can reverse from this side, because usually the descending trend line will provide enough amount of heat for the market to come down. So let's see like how far this zone is going to act as a resistance. This is point number one. And today we'll go and see like the daily candle. Daily candle is also like a strong bullish candle. If you see continuously after continuous 2 days, there is a huge gap up. Again today also there was a huge gap up. There was a small rally in the downside. Again what happened? There was a good bullish move towards the end of the day. I have updated in the Telegram channel at maybe like at 11:54. Data is turning bullish in the Nifty. Until 17,000 is safe, we will be bullish in the coming days. So if you see at this point, Nifty was in a corrective mood. We'll go to 5 minutes chart or 15 minutes chart, and we'll have a look at 12 o'clock. If you see at 10:30 to in the morning there was a small fall. After that there was a small very good consolidation indeed. From 11 o'clock towards 2:30 there was a very good consolidation. That is the reason why I told like the data is bullish, so definitely we will be moving upside. So always there will be a consolidation before a up move or down move. Whatever maybe the move, if it is going to be a sharp up move, there will be a consolidation. If there is going to be a sharp down move, definitely there will be a consolidation. If you see continuously, market wasn't consolidating here, then there was a up move, then there was a small consolidation, again there came a down move. Again, if you see the structure, after every rally the market came down, there was a consolidation, went up to make a lower high, again came down, again consolidation, it came down. If you see here in this upswing for continuous 3 days, there was a good consolidation, again there was a up move, followed by the up move. So what we can expect is definitely we need to wait until this 17,400. Already we have reached 17,150 plus. So another 250 to 300 points, just 300 points will be we have to wait and see, because the next resistance for intraday is lying at around 17,260 and 17,350. These are going to be the resistance for the upcoming session, which is going to be on Monday. This is one resistance, 17,331, and this is going to be the second resistance, which is going to be around 17,267. So these are going to be the levels we have to wait and watch for Monday. If there is any rejection, definitely there can be a small fall, but this is going to be uptrend, as we always we need to catch the uptrend in higher low so that we can get a good amount of profit. Once we get until we are getting a strong reversal from either 17,450 or 17,600, we need to wait. Or if you are very urgent in getting into trades, then we can get into a small trades like small scalping trades if there is any reversals in this level. Yeah, so this level will also definitely work for intraday, 17,267 and 17,331. Only if there is any reversal seen, we have to wait and take the trade. If in case Monday, if we are opening itself below 17,000, then we can expect some bearishness from here itself, because this itself is a huge zone, because it is a weekly and monthly resistance zone. So if in case if we are having a opening below this level, which is going to be 17,000, below 17,000, then we can expect some bearishness. But until this trend line is touched, will not reverse for sure until this 17,400 to 16,000, 17,600 levels are reached. So wait and watch, because always the structure will reach the target before any reversals. So wait till that. So that is all from the Nifty. I'll show why the data was bullish, and I have given a bullish view in market at 12. Because the open interest was started building up in the put options. That is why market was very strong today in the today session. We'll have a small look at Bank Nifty and come to the open interest data. So monthly we got a good bullish engulfing. Yeah, so previous month bearish candle has been completely engulfed almost like more than 150% it has engulfed. Similarly, Nifty also is having a strong bullish candle. If you go to monthly candle, you can see it is a strong bullish engulfing candle. Yeah, okay, still it is revolving. Okay, let's get into Bank Nifty and see what is happening in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty monthly closure is very strong. If you look at daily, today there was some small bearishness as explained yesterday. After reaching 37,750, there will be a small bearishness. After reaching 37,750, if you go to the intraday chart, you will see the numbers exactly. If you go to the yesterday's video, I have given the level 37,750. From there it has fallen towards 37,221, almost 500 point fall after reaching our numbers. So after that, again there was some momentum, and market closed at 37,486. So this high remains a small resistance for now. If it is taken out in gap up, then this level will get invalid. So let's wait and watch, because this level, which is going to be 37,550, will remain as a resistance, small resistance, very small resistance. If that is getting respected, Monday also will be in bearish mode. So if you look at this structure, only this swing structure, this is a high, this is a low, and this seems to be a lower high. If the market breaks this level, then we call this as a lower high, and market can continue to come down. If this level is taken out, definitely then what can happen is the original trend, which is going to be uptrend, it can continue and move up. Yeah, that is all about Bank Nifty. So we'll have a look on weekly as well. So how far weekly has given a strong closure. Like Nifty, in Bank Nifty also, we have a strong resistance zone around this level. Yeah. So that is one previous resistance, which is around 37,700. That was the reason which I have given yesterday. And if you see, there are only few weeks. If you go to the line chart, if you see, very small amount of double top is there, and this is going to be the neckline. So definitely this zone will act as a resistance. That is why today market reacted to this level and market came down. So if it is taken out, then we can see 38,850 and 39,590 and around 40,000 plus towards 41,000. So these are going to be the levels. We'll go to the candlestick chart. Yeah, so we have already closed above this trend line. Yeah, then what can happen is, if any resistance has been filled here, we can come to retest, because if you look at the current rally, there has been no much rejection, or higher low is not yet made. So we can expect some sort of reversal from this point, or at the max of 38,000. Then we can expect some small rally towards the downside. So once there is a rejection or reversal, we'll update the levels. Until there is no reversal, we can't predict any levels in the downside. So let's wait and watch for the upcoming week. Yeah. Okay, so I believe when people joined at 9 a.m., so 9 p.m., there was a video was played. That is a special offer for my subscribers alone. As the description, in the description, I have given a link. I have given a link for this Quants League. So this is where people, expert traders from India, will be taking part for 5 days continuously, and they'll be showing their live trades. They'll be explaining all the trades. You can see like who are going to be the speakers, and I'm one of the speaker here. So that is why purely this offer has been given for my subscribers. So if you say, go in the bottom, you can see all the traders who are going to take part in this conference, and just because of you guys are going to be my subscribers, this offer has been given. So it is 85% off. So if you want to take part in this conference to listen how people are trading, how the experts are making money, definitely you can make some glimpse on from these uh, legends and expert traders, so that you can make some quick bucks, and how you can manage your trades. You can learn those things. If you are really interested, you can do that. Yeah, this is not pitching or something, but it has been exclusively given for my subscribers. That is why I have given the option for you guys. If in case if you are interested, you can just go and have a grasp on this offer. Yeah, so usually it is 18,000 rupees, and only for my subscribers, and that too it is like only available for 24 hours. That is the offer given for me. So if you are registering for within next 24 hours, you will be availing this offer for 2,699 only. Yeah. Okay, let's get into the chart. So these levels are already like explained in Nifty. So these levels are, I'll post this chart in Telegram as well. So where the Nifty can move towards to the next level. Okay, yesterday we discussed one chart. So yesterday while I was explaining this company Devyani, it was around 164, and today itself it made a top of 181. So that is the first resistance which I gave. Above 181, the next target is going to be around 200. So first target is done within a day. In today itself there was a huge rally. If you can see, there was a huge volume, and yesterday only we have given the call, and today there was a huge rally, and almost 8% was done today itself. So people who have got this trade, wait and watch. So now there always our stop loss remains the same, 154, as we took the trade only at 160 levels. So and the stop loss is going to be 154 in daily closing, and targets are upcoming targets are going to be around first target is almost done, so second target will wait towards 197 to 200. If that is taken out, then a huge rally can come. That is where the size of the mouth, which is going to be 42% from here, 42% will be seen, which will be coming around more than close to. We'll clone this and see. It will be coming around 280. So for just 7 or 8 points of stop loss, we'll be getting a huge target. Close to a 90% target will be done. Yeah. So that is one trade, and we'll see one more stock. This stock I have already given at 328 in Telegram channel and my personal WhatsApp group. The reason for giving is that I'll show that reason why the stock was given at 328. Market fell down from a huge fall. Market faced a huge fall from 403 towards 302. Again, there was a lower high towards 350, and again a low made, which is around 294. Market reversed from here. It made a low, high, higher low, higher high. So here is where the market started reversing the trend, and it went up and made a retest, and there was a bullish engulfing. That is where I gave the call at exactly at 328, 329, and given the target as 390, and today the target is done. 396 was the high for today. So this is how our trades will be. So let's move on to higher time frame. The reason for let's go to monthly also, or if you can look at weekly also is fine. So weekly closure is done and monthly closure is also done, and we are able to see a good amount of rally in the top. So what is expected is, and if you look at monthly, after making a top of 449, market made a low of 294, and this month we got a bullish engulfing, and we are close to the descending trend line. So what can happen from here is definitely a bullish rally can be seen. And if you look at this Fibonacci for the swing, exactly it made the bottom at 0.618 and it started moving up. So this is how the Fibonacci golden ratio will work, like a magic. So beyond this level, if it is taken out, taking out 396 or maybe like 400 plus, then the first target remains as this will be the first target, which is going to be 430 and 449, 450, and my ultimate target is going to be 600 and 900 plus. That will be coming in the upcoming maybe like in a year or two. That will be done. Even it is having a capability of touching 4-digit targets in a year or two. So this is going to be the next the major level, we can say. There can be a small drop from 500 levels, and this will be acting as a support at that point of time. So 445 will remain as a support. If 500 is done, if the stock is moving like this, if the stock makes a move like this, and it can retest like this and it can go up. So we need to wait and watch. So people who have taken my trade at 328 and they are in an ample amount of profit, they can wait for the upcoming levels, and then we can book the profit, because it is going to be a long-term target, long-term pick. So definitely we need to wait and grab the opportunity. So these are going to be the two important updates. So one more stock we will see. Yeah, we'll go to, still the NSE option chain is. I was about to discuss about the open interest built up. Yeah, so 17,150. So market has just closed above the 17,150 mark. And if you look at the put options, here we have plenty of put options has been opened today. if you look at start looking at 16,900, there was a new huge open interest again. 16,950, 17,000, all new open interest was seen today, and that is why market was able to sustain these heights and closed at above 17,150. This is one small reason how you have to pick the open, use the open interest to trade yourself. Yeah, we'll have a look on Bank Nifty as well. Same goes here. If you look at the put side in Bank Nifty also today, against the call option, there is a good amount of open interest was built up during the day, and that is why market was able to sustain close to 37,500. Yeah, and there has been some unwinding seen in the call option side. From 36,700, there was a huge amount of unwinding seen. That is why market was unable to cross the today's high. If market was able to cross today's high, then definitely the data would be very positive. In case of Nifty, it was really positive, and whereas in Bank Nifty, the data was completely bearish. That is why Bank Nifty continuously for the last few days, it has been outperforming Nifty, but today it didn't outperform against Nifty. So reason being, call option sellers are aggressive on Bank Nifty. They want to bring it down. So let's wait and watch. So as of now, Bank Nifty data is bearish, and Nifty data remains bullish. Let's see like how Monday goes, because couple of days a lot of news may flow in. So let's wait and watch. Accordingly, we'll plan the trades. We'll catch up on Sunday evening 6 o'clock, and then we'll discuss how the market going to react, or what are going to be the important stocks for upcoming swing trades. Yeah, so we'll be looking at those things. So any questions? If there is no questions, we can wind up. So exclusively, I'll be conducting a query session on Sunday evening. So we'll be uh, seeing a lot of other data which is available in the market for the next upcoming week, because the monthly expiry is going to start from Monday. So we'll wait and watch on Sunday evening. Yeah. So one more time, I'm reiterating this. This is going to be a conference which will be
told you in the start itself that this is not about dumb paper trading, but you will be experiencing a live trade simulation wherein you can test your strategies, work out.
So if people who are interested to make a career in trading, people can try to opt this opportunity to participate in the Quantly conference, which is going to be just 2,699, and this will be valid only for 24 hours. If people are interested in, can take the offer. Yeah. So any questions, you can just join the Telegram channel and post it there. We'll be addressing those questions with charts or any fundamentals. If data is required, we'll be solving those things. Thanks all. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye bye.